Hey yo guys, welcome back to another video. Today we will see question number 5, which is write short notes on the following. So there are 4 topics we need to write short notes. First is group cohesiveness, and B is legitimate and illegitimate political behavior. C is factor influencing organizational culture, and D is stress management. So we need to write short notes on this below 4 topics, and if you want answer of this particular question or a full complete paid assignment which you are doing right now, so you can simply contact us on DM us on WhatsApp at this given number which is showing on your screen, which is 900-936-8238, and we will contact you as soon as possible. So any complete paid assignment if you want, so simply just WhatsApp us. Okay, and there are many free answers available on our channel. Previously we see other free answers of this assignment or any other assignments, so you can go and check out on our channel. So thank you guys for watching this video.